Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can sign out from the Messenger, okay? How you can sign out only from the Messenger, your Messenger account, not from your Facebook, only from your Messenger account. It's pretty easy. I'm going to show you how I can do. So basically, if you go onto Messenger and then you go onto your settings, there's no setting over here which I can tell you like sign out, only switch account, okay? And of course, we don't want to switch it. You can actually switch your account, and like this, you're signed out. But there's actually a much more easier way that you can do by basically resetting your Messenger account setting, okay? So how you can do this is actually going to exit Messenger, and you're going to hold on it a long click. After that, you're going to click on the information icon over here, and then you're going to scroll down until storage. From storage, you're going to click on clear data, and then delete. Okay, and once I do all of this, I go on to Messenger, and as you're going to see right now, guys, I'm completely signed out of Messenger. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.